Hello, Grizz here from How to Geek, and today we've got something really special to unbox. It's the brand new Apple Watch Series 9. That's right, same iconic design, but packed with some fantastic new features. Let's take a look. With attention to detail always at the forefront, Apple has once again created a packaging experience that's as impressive as the device itself. And it's environmentally friendly. And with this awesome eye-catching package design, the aluminum case and sport loop band, the Series 9 watch is Apple's first carbon-neutral product. When you see this new logo, it means that your Apple product is carbon-neutral. When we open up the box for the watch band, we see the new sport loop. This soft, lightweight nylon weave is made with over 30% recycled materials by weight. With dense loops on the skin side, it provides soft cushioning and breathability. As we crack open the box for the watch itself, you'll see some support documentation, along with the provided Apple Watch magnetic fast charger to USB-C cable. Removing the watch from the protective sheath reveals a familiar design, sleek and stylish just like its predecessor, but with some significant upgrades behind the face. The iPhone Series 9 watch comes equipped with the all-new S9 SiP processor, representing the first significant upgrade in several generations. And check out this display. With a dazzling 2000 nits of brightness, the Series 9 boasts a display that's 2 times brighter than its predecessor. So whether you're checking your notifications or tracking your fitness, this display is a treat for the eyes. And here's something really exciting, the double tap gesture. While it might not be available right from day one, it's coming soon. This feature will allow for even more intuitive interactions with your Series 9 watch, giving you added convenience and control over your device. So there you have it, folks, the iPhone Series 9 watch. Be sure to check out our in-depth review, and I'll catch you in the next unboxing video. For How to Geek, this is Grizz, signing off. Thanks for watching.